Hi guys, so this is the remediation video for those of you who need a little bit more practice with factoring. So whenever you're factoring, the first thing you should always look for is a GCF, all right? So these first group of questions are just gonna have a GCF. And you're gonna see, if we look here, we got a 15, a 5, and a 20. My GCF here is going to be 5. Then I look, the first guy has 3 ends, second guy has 2 ends, and the last guy has no ends. So I can't take any ends out because he doesn't have any ends to give. So I divide everything by the 5 that I took out, and I get that as my final answer. All right, next one. So next thing we can try here is, let's do number 9. Again, the first thing you look for is a GCF. We've got 5, 50, and 120. All right, so we look for a greatest common factor. It's gonna be 5. All right. When I take that out, I get x squared plus 10x, and then 5, that's going to be plus 6. Let's see, hold on. 5. Hold on, I'm having a brain fart. Let's see, 120 divided by 5. 24, wow, that was bad. All right, so plus 24. All right, so now we have to figure out, we look and we're like, okay, we took out our GCF, are we done? Look for a trinomial. Look for a difference of squares. I look, I've got a trinomial. I got to figure out what multiplies to this, adds to this. So it's going to be 5, x plus 6, x plus 4. All right. The next one I'm going to try, let's do number 12. All right. So we look, do I have a GCF? Yes, I do. That's going to be 5. All right, we get x squared minus 9. Then we're like, okay, am I done, or do I have a difference of squares or a trinomial? In this case, I do have a difference of squares. I can take the square root of both of these. So I get x plus 3, x minus 3. All right, let's see. Let's take a look at number 20. All right, again, what is the first thing we always look for? A GCF. I look here, there's no numbers I can pull out, but this has 2 v's. This guy has 1 v, I can take a v out. All right, so again, I want to emphasize, and please write this down, the things you need to look for is first, take out a GCF if you can. Then you look and say, do I have a trinomial? If you do have a trinomial, that's where you need to figure out, if you can figure out plus bx plus c, what multiplies to this, adds to this. And then the last thing you look for is, okay, do I have a difference of squares? All right, and that's going to be something that you can take the square root of and be like, I don't know, let's say we had x squared minus 9, right? You would do x plus 9, no, x plus 3, x minus 3. So make sure that you check for all of these things before you say, I'm done.